Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss extraction of metals from ores. How metals are extracted from their corresponding ores. So first step is concentration of ores is applied. Step number 1 is concentration of ores, in which impurities are removed either manually or by mechanical methods. After concentration of ores, we have three types of metals: metals of high reactivity, metals of medium reactivity, and metals of least reactivity. Different processes are applied according to the reactivity of metals. So we have three types of metals: metals of high reactivity. Second, we have metals of medium reactivity, and last we have metals of least reactivity. High reactive metals are extracted by electrolysis. Electrolysis is applied on the molten ore of a metal. Electrolysis of molten ores. As a result, we get pure metals. After electrolysis of molten ores of metals, we will get pure metals. In electrolysis, there are two terminals, cathode and anode. Metals are liberated at cathode because cathode is a negative terminal in electrolytic cell. This process is carried in electrolytic cell. Second, we have metals of medium reactivity. These are found in two ores, two forms, carbonates and sulfides. Metals of medium reactivity, they are found in nature in the form of either carbonates or sulfide. On carbonates or calcination is applied. On carbonate or calcination is applied. Calcination is the heating of carbonates or in absence of oxygen or limited supply of oxygen. In for sulfides or we apply roasting. Roasting is the heating of sulfides or in presence of oxygen. Both are carried in a same furnace. If calcination is used, then oxygen supply is stopped. If roasting is used, oxygen supply is started. After calcination and roasting, we will get metal oxides. After calcination and roasting, metal oxides are obtained. Now these metal oxides are further reduced to metal. These metal oxides are reduced to corresponding metal by using suitable reducing agent. Now still there is any impurity, it is sent to refining for further purification. Now we will get pure metal. So the sequence is concentration of ores. If carbonate ores, then calcination is applied. If sulfides ore, then roasting is applied. End product of both processes is metal oxide. Metal oxide is further reduced to metal by using suitable reducing agent. If still another impurity, then it is sent to refining. Then now we will get a pure metal. This is the extraction of metals of medium reactivity. And last we have metals of least reactivity. Least reactive metals, they are found either in form of sulfides. So for sulfides, we will use roasting. Rest of process is similar as for these sulfides. Metal oxide, again reduction. Metal oxide to reduction. In some cases, sulfides are ores are directly converted into metals. And now last step is purification, refining. After refining, we will get a pure metal. So this is the flow chart of extraction of metals from ores. First step is again concentration of ores. Impurities are either removed manually or by mechanical ways. And rest of processes depends on reactivity of metals. Metals of high reactivity are extracted by electrolysis. Medium reactivity, two processes are applied. Carbonates, for carbonates, calcination; for sulfides, roasting. And least reactive metals, they are found in nature in form of sulfides. So for sulfides we use roasting. So this is the flow chart of extraction of metals. I hope you would understand it.